Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the poem The Lost Dances of Cranes. This is the first poem we are going to learn from our text. First of all, I'll read the text so that you can read it slowly and understand it slowly. Your fields are empty now, only your ghost dance, while cranes of another kind dances into being. All that remain of you are a fading crackle of your energy and some grainy video footage that people in the new cities will watch to marvel at the wonders the world once held. This is the first stanza, which is saying something about cranes. Cranes as a bird and cranes another kind, that is called the various kinds which are used to make the buildings. Here we see the comparison of cranes as bird and cranes as tools used to build the buildings and new cities. So you see here, your fields are empty now, only your ghosts dance, while cranes of another kind dances cities into being. So we see today the cranes as bird, they are disappearing. They are disappearing, so we don't see that much of these birds today. And so we see in the civilized world that there are various kinds, different types of cranes used to make the buildings and other construction. So we see these cranes, these objects dance into our existence world today. So that is the comparison used in this first paragraph. Second stanza we see, all that remain of you are a fading crackle of your energy and some grainy video footage. So we see that the energy of cranes as bird only we can see in the record today. We don't see much of these birds flying around. As you see, look up the sky, you can see these birds making the line and flying together. Very beautiful scene, you can see it. But today only you can see in those video footage if they are recorded, and also if they are not clear in earlier days, they are not very clear it today also. And second stanza that says about the record of cranes as bird. Third stanza we see here that people in the new cities will watch to marvel at the wonder the world once held. So once these cranes as bird, they see after many years, they can just get wonders. But the comparison the poet makes in this poem are cranes of birds and also cranes another kind, that is the machines used to build the building or construct the building. So people will wonder as they watch these video footage, and that's why they will be surprised to see these things between living creature and the non-living creature. So here we see the comparison between two things, cranes as the birds and the cranes of another kind, the machines, and other objects which are used to construct the building. And that's why slowly these cranes as birds slowly disappearing, and these cranes, those which are used to construct the building and other things, they are dancing into our existence world. They are dancing into our cities. So that is the That is the comparison poet uses, Juliet Wilson. So kindly read this once again so that you can understand well.